It's day 15 of our 30 Days Decluttering Challenge for Highly Successful Homemakers. And today we are taking on that black hole under the kitchen sink. And I've got 3 tips for you. So let's get it started. Tip number 1 is to take everything out. Tip number 2 is to get rid of the trash. Get rid of those bottles that are almost empty, products that you haven't used, or products that you know you won't use. Just clear them out. And tip number 3 is to decide what's going to go back in there. And then once you know what's going back in, you can determine how you want to organize it. I recommend using small bins to put things in. It just kind of helps to keep things corralled. And if you have duplicates, put those duplicates in another storage area. That way you won't have so much stuff underneath the kitchen counter. But the bonus tip is don't buy any organizing tools until you've decluttered. That way you know exactly what you need. Well, this area is done, neatly organized. At least it's neatly organized for me. The things that I use on a day-to-day or week-to-week basis are accessible. The things I use most often are closer to the front. The things less often are in the back. And I had a huge bottle of pine sol that was way back in the corner, and I thought nobody's ever going to use it because they're never going to see it. Number one, I don't like pine sol in the house anymore. I just don't use that. I prefer more floral scents, but the hubby would love it out on the boat. So I took that out into the garage storage area so that he can access that when he needs it. If you want to jump in on the challenge and follow along, I've got a link to the 30-day schedule in the description box. Otherwise, you can click here and check out the last video.